Hello and welcome to Scholarph EDU. This is a YouTube channel where you learn, grow, and shoot. In this introductory video, I'll be discussing the channel, the purpose that it is supposed to serve, why we are here, the kind of content that we create, and why you should be subscribed to this channel. Okay, so about Scholarph EDU. Basically, this is a learning platform that is designed specifically for science students, whether they are regular students or they are examination candidates. So what we do is make learning interactive and ridiculously easy and simple, so you can learn a great deal while you're having fun. Also, we provide you with easy, simple learning and memory tips that will help you with assimilation and revision. And lastly, we also help you to evaluate your progress as you study, and we help you to prepare for tests and examinations with our free quizzes and prep courses. Our vision is providing accessible quality education for sustainable individual, communal, and global development. So we see education as an essential tool in development and in global advancement. And so this is our contribution to global development. And the mission is providing quality education and empowerment to help students to grow and develop academically and individually. And to this effect, we feature examination prep videos. Those are videos for targeted examinations like your UTME exam, the JAMB exam, or some other exams. Also, we feature science quiz videos where we take questions on different topics and different subjects. We also have science crash course videos. You could take our crash course videos if you want to get a hold of some topics or concept. You could take our crash course videos. We also have detailed course videos as well, and to this effect we have different playlists. Okay, so we have our playlist, the UTME prep series, which is basically for students who want to take the JAMB exam or the UTME exam. So in this series we provide for physics, chemistry, and biology, we provide the questions and the solutions to them, and we give detailed explanation or relatively detailed explanation on that. Also, we have the science, the detailed courses. If you really want to study a topic, you really want to really like get down to it, you could take our detailed courses as well. And for each of these, we do have a playlist. We have our physics detailed courses, chemistry, biology detailed courses, so you could check out those playlists as well. Also, you have crash courses if you just want to get a hold of a topic, basically understand something, or prepare for an exam, or do some sort of revision after you have maybe studied the whole topic in depth. You could take our crash courses as well. So they are really summarized, and basically they are preparatory videos for exams, and they are very, very good for revision. Also, you have science quizzes where we take different different subjects and topics, and we try to solve as much questions as we can on this. Okay, so we also have our website. You can practice free JAMB or UTME, or take quizzes at exams.scholarph.com, or you could visit our main site, which is scholarph.com, and interact and learn and go and shoot. Finally, I wanted to say a big thank you for watching this introductory video, this trailer. If you see value in our awesome content and our creation and what we're doing, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can keep receiving awesome content, and like and share our content. Also, turn on the notification icon so you could get notified every time we drop a new video. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.